Hi, it's Simon again. It's a pretty warm day here in Lincolnshire, so we're indoors, curtains closed, window open, bit of fresh air, but it gives me time to just sit here and go through some of the things that we do with Wordpress Training. It's one of the services that we have, and it's a popular service where people invite us to their place so that we can train them how to use WordPress. We don't have a venue where they come to us because it's taken them away from work, so we come to you. Got a few notes here so I don't miss anything out. It could be very easy for me to miss something, so I do have some notes here. We do it informally. We don't turn up in suits and ties and projectors and that kind of thing. We turn up with our own equipment, but you need laptops or computers where you work. So we come to sit with you. If it's in a group, we can walk around the table, make sure everybody's understanding everything. If somebody's got a problem, we can sit with them, help them catch up with the rest of the group. And we can do it in groups of up to 5 or maybe 8 people. If it's more, it can take too long and other people can fall behind, or other people get too far ahead and it just doesn't work terribly well. So we tend to do it in groups of 5 to 8, or one-on-one. And one-on-one is the most popular because somebody in an office needs a bit of a catch-up, or they've taken it on and they haven't got a clue. So we just sit down and go through what WordPress is and the basics of how it works. So we show you the real basics of it. So there's things like the basic stuff is pages and posts and what the difference is, and although they do look exactly the same, they are in different places on the website. So if it's a page, it's in one area, posts there to do with social media as well, and they turn up in different areas, but they can also be used within feeds on the website as well, depending on your WordPress theme. We can show you the media library, and it's the place where all your photographs go. It's where videos may go, attachments may go. It's where you can do some shortcuts to change settings within those images and those documents, and that's where everything is added. So you can just upload images, bulk images, a gallery of images. If you're adding photographs to products, they go in the media library. There are plenty of tools that you can use to help you with this sort of online training, where you can sit there and go through a video like you're watching now, but where you can watch somebody do something on the screen, or you can just see where the mouse is clicked on the screen. The problem with that is that if you get lost, or that link isn't quite where you expect it to be, or you're not quite comfortable with it, that's where having somebody sit with you and spend a bit of time with you and go through it, that just seems to work a little bit better. But for the quick fixes, online is quite a nice thing to do. But if you need to learn from scratch, or you're just not sure, on-site WordPress training is a really, really good tool to do. The other area that we can help with is themes as well, because you may have a standard WordPress theme. There's one called 2017 Storefront, but you may have seen other themes, or you've got some idea of what you want. Well, we tend to know many themes that can be adapted to work the way you want them to. So if you've got an idea, then we can show you where you can look for themes. We can show you how to buy them, download them and install them. So it works very, very well. And the other area that I wanted to talk to you about just very briefly is telephone WordPress training. I don't know if you can see that terribly well, but we can train people over the phone. If it's like a 10-second job or 10-minute job, it's often no charge. But if you need somebody to book in, say, an hour on the phone to go through bits and pieces, if you've got some tool like TeamViewer and we can connect to your machine, then we can train you over the phone. It's limited, but we can do it. So that is it for now. If you want any help with any WordPress training, or if you've got any other questions, comment below, or even visit our website and send us a live chat, because we've got a nice little live chat function, which you can see down there, and we can help you live. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and hopefully see you again soon. Bye.